Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is your go-to destination to learn all things related to digital marketing. I'm your host RM Ronit and I am thrilled to have you here. With over 4 years of hands-on experience in the dynamic world of digital marketing, I have had the privilege of helping businesses grow, harnessing the power of online platforms, and navigating the ever-evolving landscape of digital strategies. Throughout my journey, I have learned what works, what doesn't, and I am here to share those insights with you. Whether you are a seasoned marketer looking for the latest trends or someone just starting on their digital marketing adventure, this channel is your resource for actionable tips, strategies, and expert guidance. On this channel, we will dive deep into the world of social media marketing, PPC advertising, content creation, and so much more. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in the digital marketing realm. But hey, enough about me. I want to get to know you better. Feel free to introduce yourself in the comments below and let me know what brought you here. Are you a fellow marketer, a business owner, or just a curious learner? I would love to connect with you and tailor our contents to your needs. If you are as passionate about digital marketing as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Together, we will navigate the exciting world of digital marketing and help you achieve your goals.